Old Celtic farmer here. This is just my opinion of a fictional story of someplace, somewhere in time, a group of educated people sat around a boardroom with their designs and says, hey, let's design a two-wheeled garden cart. We'll make it durable, we'll make it last, it'll be rugged, it'll be exactly what the public wanted. And the suits and the analysts sat there and they scratched their head and they said, sure, sounds like a good idea, except we want you to put the worst tires and the worst inner tubes on the side, so that way the inner tubes will go flat, the tires will crack, and then the people will have to come by and buy more tires and more tubes and more tires and more tubes. But we'll just top it off even better and not give them places that they can actually buy the tires or the tubes. So we'll let them have this beautiful, durable cart that people can roll around on no tires and no tubes. There are places that sell tires and tubes, but the tires and the tubes are more expensive than what this original cost of this beautiful garden cart was. So the good, great garden cart. The bad, no place to buy tires that will actually stay up without keeping going flat, and it's ugly.